Alastair, what exactly is going on in this market?
Yeah, well, the market has completely fallen out of bed in the last few days. Bitcoin almost became boring in the past few months, staying around 6,000 level for 2 or 3 months or so, and then all of a sudden was quickly fallen, as you say, touching almost 4,000 on Bitcoin. Really, it's hard to pinpoint perhaps one single cause, but there are quite a few things that have contributed. Of course, regulation is always the big kind of black cloud above the market, and we've had a few things in the US. Yesterday, our colleagues reporting that the Justice Department was looking into potential manipulation, price manipulation around Tether, which is a kind of rather controversial crypto, and how that has affected the price of Bitcoin. We've also had an SEC civil action last week against 2 ICO companies who basically saying that they should have registered their tokens as securities, which of course is would put them under the same stringent rules as stocks and bonds. So basically it's black clouds of regulation, and also we've had this rather adolescent infighting with regard to Bitcoin Cash, which is like an offshoot of Bitcoin itself.
Alastair, what I find most interesting about this is the single word market. There's been any number of articles rationalizing a quote-unquote market for Bitcoin. I don't know a single grizzled pro that agrees with that. Would you inform us right now of the so-called market of Bitcoin? Where is the established Marxian economic scarcity within that market?
Right. Well, as I think we've discussed before, Bitcoin is kind of a separate and a rather special use case in terms of how it compares with traditional markets. And it wanted to be taken, or certainly the Bitcoin community wanted to be taken seriously. And as the price rallied to $20,000 and the market cap of the crypto market approached 800 billion late last year, it all looked, suddenly this is something that we can't ignore. However, now we're seeing the kind of complete reverse of that. And actually yesterday we broke through the level where Jamie Dimon last year said that Bitcoin was a scam and a fraud. So perhaps it's Jamie Dimon and his train of thought that's been kind of vindicated in this latest rout.